Hello and welcome to our channel Gastronauts Kitchen. Today we're making tripe, chorizo and pancetta with garbanzos. We begin by chopping onions. This is our own variation of widely popular dish in Spain called callos. Then garlic. Now we take one chorizo, cutting it along into two parts, and then into small bite-sized chunks. Now for pancetta, we also cut it into small chunks. We are going to use it for frying instead of oil. So we heat up our nice iron skillet, lower the heat now, and start frying pancetta. Add onions, when the onions become translucent, we can add garlic. Add chorizo and turn up the heat a little bit to medium-high. And cook it for 2-3 minutes. Now adding tripe. It's important to mention that to prepare this dish quickly using only one frying pan, we pre-cook tripe in advance and divide it into portions and then freeze it. It's a huge time saver. To cook tripe, you have to wash the tripe thoroughly, then rinse it with vinegar. If you are using book tripe, it's the kind of tripe that looks like a book, boil it for about 10-15 minutes. Halfway through, replace the water with the clean one and you boil it for the rest of the time. And the other type of tripe is a honeycomb tripe, which tends to be tougher, and you cook it for about an hour, also changing the water halfway through. Adding black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, carne de ñora, you can look up in the description what it is, now tomato sauce. Turn heat to low. And cooked garbanzos, chickpeas. Simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Tell us in the comments below if it's the first time you have been trying tripe and how did it go?